it's on. I turned it on last night.
Oh shit, it was on all night? Good battery.
Really? I hope we will catch the 10 a.m. 10 a.m. ferry. If not, then we will catch the next ferry, which is 11:25.
Yeah, I think so.
So, yeah. Moving now, guys. Here we have to pay our ticket. You can ask.
Mm-hmm.
We're going
I guess it-
to the ferry.
I guess it holds a few. It does hold a few vehicles, man. Man, we used to play down here when we were kids.
Oh my god, this is fun.
Right?
To go to Salt Spring Island, to get the ferry is, if you have a car, it costs $33.
The car's $33.
Yeah, the
plus
car is
you.
33 bucks.
So if it's just you and your car, it's 50 or 45 something.
We stopped by at the convenience store and I get some coffee to wake me up. This is the store right here. It's beautiful here. Look at this colorful. It's really nice, son. You're right. It's cold.
Yeah, put your jacket on. Okay. See the name of the local pub, hon? This is Ganges. Ganges Harbor.
What? Careful. Jesus.
Or is it cherry?
Come on. Don't eat everything. What is that?
It's Japanese palm. It's called.
Look at this. It's so pretty and windy. Hi everyone. Welcome to Salt Spring Island.
Where everybody is so decent and kind, even their graffiti is clean. Houses up on the hill there. Yeah, the rich people up on the hill. Wow.
1900. Crab ship. Looks like a sail on that thing.
1958. Wow.
Oh, was that the ferry then?
1810. 1910. Wow, so cool.
Oh, maybe you gave it to me running and I pressed it and stopped
What
it.
is beauty? You press the red one?
Yeah, I know how cameras work.
Hmm? What is this?
Her Majesty's ship, I think that stands for. Some of that. HMS Ganges was the last sailing ship of the Royal Navy.
Really?
They patrolled here from 1857 to 1861. That was a photo of it we looked at over there.
This is the one? Ah, yeah. Oh. That's the one.
the ship they named the harbor after. That's why this place is called Ganges.
Oh.
So Ganges was probably somebody's last name.
We're back in the car. We're back in the car and we're eating junk foods right now. So I have corn chips barbecue flavor, and my husband has, what is this?
Canadian made
Canadian made
hard bite
hard
onion
bite.
and yogurt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tastes alright to me.
We're just having a picnic here. I brought my food, which is green salad. I'm just waiting for my husband. Look at this, so beautiful.
Look at this.
Look at this one. I don't need a
Ah, nice. Oh, and everybody just leaves their boats here.
sit down here.
Don't want to sandwich. Try one? Tasting again. Try one?
Can I try that? Thank you.
Do you guys a card?
I just had the deep fry.
Wow.
Try one?
This is. So we're waiting for our ferry to go back home. We're done touring around Salt Spring, which is very short but
Sweet.
sweet.
No, it was nice. It was a
Yeah.
good trip. Beach picnic. Vesuvius, Ganges, Fulford Harbor.
Wow, you remember?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Ours on there.
We're going home. This is the ferry.
Oh, sorry, I had my seatbelt.
My sister's so boring.
No, I didn't think we were going to make the boat. Oh, look, we're all going to make it. Sweet.
We're in a car.
I think
waiting.
it's always hotter when the sun is hitting you through glass.
Yeah.
It's magnifying.
We're just waiting here. It was really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Salt Spring is very beautiful.
Yeah, it is nice, isn't it? Oh, sorry. I thought you were talking to me.
Talking to the video. And you keep answering me. Alright. I'm preparing dinner.
Mm-hmm.
My own chicken.
Yeah, you better get a good shot of that. That's
It looks
yummy.
good, eh?
Fucking rice is yummy. Ooh, you know what? I want the seasonings.
So, dinner was delicious, and I'm gonna end this video because I'm going to bed and I'm so tired and sleepy. So until next time, guys, see ya. Bye.